Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the mortgage calculator in the Chase app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the accounts menu. Of course it needs a bit of time to load. Then we tap on more in the bottom right corner, and here we tap on mortgage calculator. And after this loads, we will be able to calculate the mortgage on a property. And here we can enter either the zip code or the full address. And here we enter the purchase price, the down payment, and yeah, the down payment could be either in percentage or like an exact amount. And yeah, that's how you use it, and that's where you can find it. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.